I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's snowing. I've never seen snow rained in like years. I think last time I saw snow fall from the sky, I was probably like 10. It's cool. It's okay. What's up, girl? Yeah, you're a cutie, huh? Coleman's little sister and his brother's over there being weird. Me and Coleman are gonna go try skateboarding. It's a little wet outside because of the snow. We'll see how this goes. It's got canceled. We're going on a hike instead. It's like drizzling. Alright, sorry to interrupt the video in the middle. I just forgot to say that my friend Coleman is going to talk about his experience moving around. You guys will find out in a bit, but yeah, he's going to tell a story of like his moving journey as a child into this day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Memory stuck in my head where I was lost in the woods a lot, and then
Like, how long were you lost for?
couple hours, I think.
Oh, okay.
I was just in the woods and my dad found me, and then we moved back to Wisconsin. I remember that move. We had a dog. My dog was named Shadow, but we couldn't bring it along. I think it passed away, and I can't remember if it passed away or if we just left it with someone. But his name was Shadow, and I remember Shadow was with me when I was lost, so that was cool. And then, so yeah, we moved to Wisconsin in a little town called Arcadia, Wisconsin. And I had family all around that area, about at least 30 minutes diameter. Everywhere around me was family. My grandpa was the sheriff, um, or at least a very highly known officer in that county. And I grew up there till I was 13. Because of my grandpa and because of that, I would be able to get into like carnivals and fairs for free and stuff. And because Wisconsin is like full of bars, there were some times where I would be able to get into bars just because they knew who my grandpa was.
That's tight.
Yeah.
How old were you?
Well, growing up, I was from like 2 to 13.
Shit.
Yeah. And then my dad passed away when I was 13, and I went to. My mom got remarried, and she married. Because she got married, we moved to Utah because that's where he was from. And they were married for about 5 years. But during that time period of that 5 years, we moved from Taylorsville, Utah, Provo, Utah, back to Arcadia, Wisconsin. And then from Arcadia, Wisconsin, we went to Indio, California. And then from Indio, we went back to Provo. And then sadly, they got divorced after 5 years. And then we moved again. So my mom and my brothers went to a different house. And then we moved again, I think about a year after being in that house. And at this point, I'm a senior in high school. We went to this house by Seven Peaks, which would be about somewhere over there. No, right there. Right there, Seven Peaks right there. My house is in that area. And then my mom got remarried again. And then I put in my mission papers, got my mission call to Missouri about when I was 20 years old, and left in March of 2014 and went to Missouri. I moved like 7 times in Missouri. First place was Belton, Missouri, Sedalia, Missouri, after 3 months of being in Belton. After 4.5 months in Belton, 4.5 months in Sedalia, Missouri, which is like central Missouri. And then from Sedalia, I went to Leavenworth, Kansas. I was there for 6 months during the winter time as well. And then from Leavenworth, I went to, where did I go? From Leavenworth, I went to Odessa for 5 weeks, Odessa, Missouri, for 5 weeks. And then from there, I went to Gallatin, Missouri for 6 months. And then I went to Kearney, Missouri for about 4.5 months. And I thought I was going to end my mission there. But then my mission president called me and said I was going to have one more area. And 2 weeks before I was going home, sent me to Overland Park, Kansas, and I was there for 2 weeks. And then I came back here after 2 years of being in Missouri and Kansas, came back to Provo, in a house that is just right in that area, not in the house I'm living at today. I went to Hawaii, and my family moved to a house over there. And when I came back, I went into that house. And so But yeah, so that's my moving history. I just moved around a lot. And then...
Alright, so it started to hail a little bit, or is it a little bit or is it a lot? This is new to me.
This is...
For me, this is a lot.
Yeah, this is like... Yeah, it's like not bad, but it's alright.
Alright.
It's alright. It's an item amount.
It's an item amount. So we have an item amount of hail. So we're heading back to Coleman's house and chill over there, or they're gonna drop me off in an hour. We don't know yet, but we'll see.
We'll discuss it.
We'll find out. Alright, see you guys. Alright, so we just got to Coleman's house. They're gonna drop me off in my truck, so it's almost goodbye. You don't even care.
It's almost goodbye. It's not goodbye yet.
Why you hate me?
Because...
Is it because I can't heel flip?
Yeah. I don't like anybody who can't heel flip.
I gotta learn how to heel flip. Oh, dang. Bye, Coleman.
Bye, dude.
I love you.
Have a good one, man.
I'll see you
Safe
whenever.
driving. Yeah, dude.
In
Safe
like a
driving.
couple years.
The winter. Yeah, dude. Frick, it's gonna be a long time.
It's like 6 years, and like last year was just like for how many hours? Like 3?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. We'll see each other in the future. Love you, bro.
Alright.
Alright, so my friend Coleman, I haven't seen him in about like 6 years, since like high school. But we saw each other last year. It was only for like half a day, if that. It was because he was in town with some friends, and we're just able to meet up. Him and all of our skate crew got together. It was a nice little reunion. Unfortunately, nobody took pictures. We all forgot to, but it's probably because we were having too much fun. But yeah, so it was nice to see him. Well, I just wanted to give you guys like a proper outro, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Any feedback will be good. Like, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, just so I can improve my videos for entertainment. I'm doing this as a hobby, so any information you guys give me will just help me refine these videos, and I'm willing to invest more money into it as far as equipment goes, so I can produce better quality. But it's all with time, so little by little I'll do that. So yeah, don't forget to don't forget to subscribe, so you guys can watch every video that I put out, every new video. That'll be greatly appreciated, and thanks for showing me love.